Information before installation and connection of the duct air heater. Operating conditions. Installation. Installation is possible in almost all positions, except when A. The installation position is horizontal and the connection box is facing downward. B. The installation position is vertical and the airflow is directed downward. Install the round duct heater in accordance with the airflow direction, as indicated on the housing. Control system. This heater is equipped with one external supply air temperature sensor. Temperature setting is performed using the external controller TR5K. Installation and connection of the supply air temperature sensor. The supply air temperature sensor must be installed downstream of the heater in the direction of airflow at a distance of not less than 3 heater diameters. For example, diameter 160, the sensor must be installed at least 480 millimeters from the heater. Diameter 200, the sensor must be installed at least 600 millimeters from the heater. The same principle applies to other sizes. For EKA heaters is requested to install the sensor so that the temperature sensing element is positioned as close as possible to the center of the duct. For example, diameter 160. Adjust the sensor flange so that the distance from the flange to the sensor tip is 80 millimeters. For EKS heaters, the supply air temperature sensor must be installed at a distance at least equal to the heater's diagonal length. Extend the sensor flange to its maximum length. Electrical connection. The sensor is connected to terminals 7 to 8. Wire polarity is not important. The external controller TR5K is connected using a 3-core control cable, according to the wiring diagram under the cover. GND connected to terminal 8, in connected to terminal 9, out connected to terminal 10. According to the wiring diagram under the cover, regardless of whether the heater is powered by 2 times 400 volts or 3 times 400 volts. Connect the appropriate power supply cable according to the heater type specified on the heater nameplate. 1 times 230 volts connect to PE, N, L terminals. 2 times 400 volts connect to PE, L1, L2 terminals. 3 times 400 volts connect to PE, L1, L2, L3 terminals. Meaning of temperature controller, LED indications. Power LED flashes once per second. Heater is operating. Heating LED on. Heater is heating. Troubleshooting. Power LED continuously on. Heater fault. Check the wiring of the temperature sensor and the external controller, TR5K.